facing Manchester City.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. Son. Ronaldo. Happy to take on the shot. Oh, the crossbar is still reverberating. And after all that, the keeper clutches it with glee.
Well, no wonder he's relieved. That was so close, inches away from a very good goal.
สีม่วงแล้วสิเนี่ย
เหรอ
City did well to win it back.
แต่หนูไม่เห็นขีดขึ้นอ่ะ
ไม่ต้องเห็นก็เสียว
A
เลย
lot of
เนา
forward thrust
ะ
here from Ronaldo. Now, what can he do from this excellent position? And cleared away.
ไหนแหละ
Heung-min Son.
อยากให้ซอนได้ปั่น
Oh, terrific piece of goalkeeping.
อัดประตูบ้างแน่นอนอย่าเอาก่อนหน้าเยอะเชื่อพี่
ได้
อัดประตูบ้างแล้วน้องจะรู้
Oh dear. Well, that's not one that's going to linger long in the memory.
Well, he had a go there. Nothing wrong with that. But he's got that all
ประ
wrong.
ตูบ้าง
Nesta.
เอ้ยไก่นั่น
Ronaldo.
รู้นะว่าแกจะทำอะไรให้พี่ดู
And Borussia Dortmund come away with it.
พี่ดูเขาสีแดงเว้ย
Carlos
ขนาดเด็ก
Palacios.
เขาเล่นไม่ได้เลย
Villagra.
มีแววว่าที่หมูแข็งไม่หมู
Awar. Ronaldo.
ทำอะไรไม่ได้เลย
It's been aimed towards Heung-min Son here.
ก็เหยียดขาเว้ย
Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Tim Cahill. Foden. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Griezmann. Son. Ronaldo. And with that, the first half draws to a close. So back underway here into the second half.
มูกาไก่มูกา
Foden. Griezmann.
ติดมัน
And a fine tackle. And putting pay to the danger. Ronaldo. Son. Well, a bit more in the way of precision was required.
ติดลูกเลยครับ
And Dortmund will go to the bench. And into the last 30 minutes now.
โย
Still passing it around with authority.
โย
Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance.
ไม่ได้ยิงเลยครับยังไม่ได้ยิง
Le Fay
เขาเลยครับ
Now Son.
เฮ้ยเย้ยเย้ยจุ๊จุ๊ย
Here's Ronaldo.
ไปแล้ว
Looking for the right moment for that final pass.
อุ้ย
Well, they were very patient, but they no longer have the ball.
ขาพี่ดู
An encouraging move from Dortmund,
เฮ้ยเฮ้ย
but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And Buffon has it now.
เจ็บเสีย
Griezmann. Now Griezmann. Cristiano Ronaldo. 5 minutes left. Goalkeeper has it. Nesta. Villagra. Palacios. And that will be all for this game anyway. No goals to report. Defences on top.